Hey there, it's Sandy Lou. How are you? I finally got around to opening up my FabFitFun box. And spring is coming. Look at these butterflies. So let's see what's inside. So when you choose to get FabFitFun, you can get it on a quarterly basis, or you can pay for it for the whole year. If you pay for the whole year, I believe it's $149, so you'll get 4 boxes, and you do save a little bit of money. But the good thing is that you get to choose some of the things that you want. They'll give you a selection of like maybe 3 or 4 different products, and you get to choose which one you want, and you get to do that way ahead of time before anybody else, like the regular people. Not the regular people, but before the people who are not yearly subscribers. I believe they get to choose, but after all of the premium members do. So that's a plus. Okay, so let's pull things out. They always give you a magazine. It says Gina Rodriguez. I'm not sure who she is. She's probably an actress. Yes, Life After Jane. You know, that is one thing I never watched. I believe it was called Jane the Virgin. So this is nice. It just tells you of all the different things that are in the box, and they give you an explanation, and they also tell you how much the product is worth, and they throw in some coupons and things. So here's a HelloFresh. I do like HelloFresh. I have gotten it a few times. I don't like getting it all the time. I like getting it some of the time, just for variety. Bite, B-Y-T-E. You look good, but you're about to look better. Oh, this is for the teeth, the crooked teeth coupon. You know, I don't do them, but someone at work does, and she's quite happy with the results. All right, let's take a peek in here. So the first thing here are the silicone straws, and you get 4 funky colors, and it comes with a carrier. So these are very flexible. You could fold one in there and throw it in your purse, so you'd always have your own straw. I don't like the paper straws that they're using now. They just disintegrate and get soggy. And this also comes with a cleaner, a brush, a long brush cleaner. So this is some kind of tool. It says a wrinkle treatment, revive light therapy. And this is something that I am going to have to read up on. It looked interesting. You know, I'm 65, and anything to help these wrinkles is fine by me. A revive light therapy, glow, wrinkle, and anti-aging light device. Stimulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. $68. So this is definitely something I'm going to have to read up on. Maybe, hopefully at night when I'm sitting in bed, I can give myself some sort of treatment. The next thing is Pur Lisse Watermelon, energizing 2-minute polishing peel infused with extracts of watermelon and other stuff. And this polish will give your skin a burst of freshness. $35. I'm just not remembering anything. The Makeup Finishing Spray by Skin Denavia. Let's see what that's all about. I can't find it in the book. A Makeup Finishing Spray. Well, don't see it. Isn't that odd? All right, let's see what else is in here. A Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. Murad, if you have pimples, like every now and then I'll get one, And Murad has an acne treatment that you just dab it onto the zit, and that thing will be gone 2 days max. 2 days, gone. It just peels right off. But don't put it anyplace else, just right on that target spot. Reduces appearances of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 hours. I'm going to test this. 2 hours, that's crazy talk. So the next thing is a Cosmetics Pur C. Says add a dose of the 100% ascorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. So I guess you just shake it on. I don't recall any, well, I recall asking for the Murad and the straws. I guess maybe I picked the glow light. The other things just must have been things that they give to everybody. Okay, Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. So I guess it's a body lotion. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. And I'm thinking it's a body lotion and not a face thing. $40. Directions. Massage nightly into hands and body and breathe deeply. I see. Oh, it's lovely. I knew it would be. It's very lavender. Yeah, it's lavender. Lavender is something nice to put you to sleep. The last thing in here is a body oil. I'm usually very excited about FabFitFun boxes, but I'm not crazy about this one, which is sad because I look forward to them. All right, some rosewood body oil. So the, I don't even know how to say this. Marianella Imperial Jade Body Oil. Moisturize and replenish the skin with 100% pure oils and vitamins. $68. Now I did get a couple of things in, there's an edit sale, I guess it's called, and you get to shop all these products at a discounted price, and it ships free with your box, so you don't have to pay extra shipping. Now I did get it says hydraulic boost lip plumper. So I was interested in trying this because of the description. I thought, I have thin lips. I'd like them to be just a little bit fuller. So let's see if this works. And then this, I'm very disappointed in the size. And it's a skin primer, very, very small. Fortified Under Makeup Primer by Laura Geller. Apply a thin layer over a clean face. The primer is supercharged with soothing botanicals and age-fighting antioxidants. Wear under foundation for perfect makeup application or use alone for a fresher looking complexion. You know, I'm pretty proud of myself that I can read that, because let me tell you, that's tiny. Very tiny. I can't see far away, but I can see close up. So, yeah, this size is like crazy. It's almost like a sample size. And this, I don't know what it is. Elmis Peptide Recovery Cream Oil. Now, in the invoice, it says here that there is a mystery choice. I'm thinking this is the mystery choice. So you apply every evening, avoiding the eye area. So it's an all over night cream oil for hydration. Well, I can't say that I'm excited about this box. Really. But there you go. Okay, well, thank you for joining me. And I'm going to read about the Revive. I know there are a lot of other people, and they're probably more fun to watch than I am. But thanks for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.